Time for some pepper! That's my John Mulaney impression of Patrick Stewart. All of it's terrible. Hi, guys. Adam Savage here in my cave. Today, this is my pepper grinder. This is my home pepper grinder. This is what we use to distribute pepper into all of our food. This has been our pepper grinder for almost 20 years. It's a great pepper grinder. It is made by, it's called the Crush Grind. All right. Okay. All right. We'll take care of that now. I've got more peppercorns at home. What has happened is it used to be that this press fit onto here, but it does not anymore. And I'm looking at this piece and it seems to be a piece of wood and a piece of plastic. Hear that? Yeah, me too. There's a little tab that probably broke off here that I need to sort of refix that probably gives a little bit of pressure, enough to hold on to this. I'm going to try and solve this problem, but first, I got to pull this out of here. So I found this stainless bolt that I had, and I'm going to screw it in here because it won't affect the hex pattern. I get some good purchase on that. That's great. This is a lag screw. Okay. Oh yeah, that's moving. Excellent. Woohoo, there it is. I figured it out. Okay, let's reconvene. Okay, that's one part. There's another part. There's a broken part. Ooh, this might be easier than I thought. Okay, so it seems that it looks to be that what happens is this shaft comes up through here and gets pressured by a third, there's this third little paddle here that sits here. And then this little, split ring sits on top of that and provides the proper pressure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this back on there. I'm going to add in a little super glue down there with some baking soda, and that should take care of this. Oh, it's my favorite kind of problem solving. Okay, so lovely solution. So as soon as I do that, it's back to wanting to work. But what I can see is that it wants to spread out there. So where's the break? There it is. Okay, cool. Yeah, great. Okay, now I think that this part is fixed, so let's try it out. It is. It is. Hey, hey. It works and it doesn't burst out of its thing. I'm really happy with that. I'm going to add a little more CA glue just to be sure. Excellent. Get a tiny bit more baking soda on there. I use baking soda for a reason for this. Baking soda, more than the standard kicker for CA glue, adds body to the CA glue. It adds grit, and it actually makes it more structural in a thicker orientation. So I find when I want something that can really resist pressure, I use that. I'm going to give this a spray just to make sure that it cures all the way through. There we go. Excellent. Now I think it's just about reassembling. Okay, so I think, yeah, I'm going to give a little bit of glue on the inside of this just for security. It looks like they've done the same. They've done a little bit of epoxying. Oh, and I'll hit the same marks, I guess. Yeah, great. Cool. So we'll do one there, and there. I'll bring this in, and we'll. She's in. Now that's in. I'm going to let that set. I know, I got all these peppercorns. I hate wasting things. But these have touched my workbench, thus they're no longer safe for human consumption. I've been meaning to do this for like 3 weeks now. I was always hoping that the solution would be easy and it wouldn't be there was some super disintegrated part in here that I had to 3D print in order to refit this back together. But here we go. Uh-huh. No longer falls off. Excellent. I'm still going to let this set for a while before I keep mucking with it. This has to be one of the faster one-day builds we have ever done. I love repairing old kitchen equipment. I just saw a thing that the French government, has allocated billions of dollars over the next several years to give to French people to fix their shoes and other household items, that they want people to go to cobblers and tailors and have their clothes and things repaired rather than throw them out. This makes me very happy. I think this is exactly the way that, frankly, in my opinion, government can properly encourage people towards practices which benefit everyone. And this is a small portion of that. Taking a really old piece of kitchen equipment that we love and use every single day that sadly ceased to function to our ideal and bringing it back to life. I hope this gives me another 20 years of faithful service. Thank you guys for joining me for this Quickie One Day Build, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers. Thank you so much for watching that video. Your support allows us to make more of this great content. If you'd like to help us on a deeper level even, head over to tested-store.com because we've got stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? Our anime-inspired Tested logo in Japanese. Follow the process, not the plan. It's not a process. It's not a problem to solve. It's a process to manage. Other aphorisms that have come from my mouth. And we have just made a full set of our demerit badges in sticker form. So you can cover your toolbox with all of your screw-ups and celebrate it with other makers. Thank you guys so much. See you next time.